Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another easy, tasty, fast recipe. And today is the turn of arroz caldoso or soapy rice, we could say. The way that we start is we put some olive oil on the pot. This one is already hot. And the first thing that we're gonna do is fry slightly our prawns together with the clams. Sorry about the noise. And now we mix them. And we let them fry a little bit because we want just to get the flavor out of them. We're gonna let them fry for a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's been a few minutes and the clams are opening. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove them off the pan. I had to change the pan or the pot because I felt it was a bit too small and everything was being cramped inside. So this way I think it's better. So we take everything out of the pan and we put it aside. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the liquid on a little bowl because I want to keep it. And I'm going to put some olive oil in the pan. Okay, now the oil is hot. What we're going to do, we'll add the onions first and cook them until they brown and see through. The onions are getting brown and we're going to add the garlic. We add the garlic, we mix well and we let it cook for another little while. The garlic is looking cooked, browny, and now I'm going to add the peppers. I didn't have a whole red pepper, so I added half a red pepper and half a green pepper. It doesn't really matter, you know, use what you've got. Recipes are flexible, they're not written in stone. And we let the peppers cook. We're doing a sofrito, if I say with a Spanish accent. We let the peppers cook for a short while and then we'll add the tomatoes. Now that the peppers have been cooking for a few minutes, we're going to add the chopped tomato. There you go. Choppy, choppy, choppy tomatoes. This is how we create a sofrito. So we let it cook a little bit. And we're going to add a bit of salt, pink salt, because it's a lot healthier than white sauce. Did I say white sauce? No, than white salt. Why did I say sauce for? I don't know. Now what I will do is I will add a little bit of wine, splash of wine like that, because I like to give a bit of flavor, extra flavor. So I mix it well. And now with the juice I had from the prawns and the clams, I'm going to add it to the pot. Remember to wash your clams well and keep them in water, in salty water, for at least a couple of hours so they spit out the sand that may be inside of them. Okay, now that I have this, I'm going to let it reduce a little bit, let it soften. I'll let it cook for about 5 minutes at a medium heat. That is nice. That's smelling nice. Now that it's been cooking for a few minutes and the wine is reduced, I'm going to add the rice. I have 2 cups of rice here. Arroz brillante is a Spanish one, it's very good for paellas, but if I can hold of it, I will use that one. You can use any other rice. There it goes. And what I do, we'll mix it well. We want the rice to absorb all those flavors from the wine, the clams, the prawns, vegetables, and this is where everything is different to a normal rice. Arroz caldoso needs 4 or 5 times more water per cup than any other rice. So if I put 2 cups of rice, I will add 8 cups of water, 4 per. Bits of saffron, like that. I'm going to add. Oops. So I like it. I'm going to add a little bit more. That's it. Okay, so it's been approximately 20 minutes. The rice is looking good, and we're going to add our shellfish. I forgot to add calamari at the beginning. I did it separately. If you add calamari to yours, do it from the beginning. That will be much better. So we add this. Let's hope it fits in the pot, because it looks like an awful amount of things for such a small pot. My mum had a gigantic pot, so that's how she made it. So we fit it all in there. If you need to add more water, add more water, but I think this would be fine. Rice has about 5 minutes to get cooked, so this can cook in there for the next 5 minutes and it will finish it off. It's looking good. It's smelling good as well, so it must taste good, right? We'll see how it is when we finish. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, and this is how it's looking. Let's have a try and see if the rice is soft. It's not too soft and it's not too hard. It's perfect. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn it off, and this, my dear friends, is how it looks. Lovely. If you like this recipe or any of the other recipes we have in the channel, please do subscribe, share on Facebook, share on Instagram, share with the world, like us, comment, let us know what you think of the dish. Have you tried it? Did you like it? And yeah, enjoy it, eat it, taste it, indulge in it, and be happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.